Let us look at the construction of this isometric block that we have here. So as we have it here, we are just to replicate it the way it is given to us, as it said here that draw the block in isometric projection as shown. So all you have to do is to replicate it the way it is given to you here, but you are making use of the dimensions that we have here. So looking at the dimensions that we have here, so we are told that from here to here is 50 millimeters, and from here to here is 20 millimeters, from here to here is 35 millimeters. And then so this feature that we have here, we have that distance from here to here is 15 millimeters, and from here to here is 10 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 5 millimeters that is shown to us here. So we make use of these dimensions to produce this isometric block as shown to us, but we need to make use of 30 degrees set square as we have done for others. So we are going to see how this can be worked out. It's very simple. Just follow me as I'm explaining this right now. Okay, so I'll put it by my side, and then I'm taking my 30 degrees set square. So first of all, so we have to produce a short horizontal line. Just put it here like this. Okay. All right. So then with the 30 degrees set square, but before that, let us indicate the lowest point, as we usually make use of that in the construction of isometric figure. Okay. So though that is not said in the information that we are given for the construction of this isometric block, but I usually like to indicate the lowest point. Now, so set the set square like this, 30 degree side of the 30 by 60 degree set square. So draw a line in this direction from point A, and then you turn it this way also. So draw a line in this direction from point A, and then you set it up like this, and then you produce a vertical line up like this. Okay, so first of all, we make it an isometric block. Then we now bring out the feature that we have on the figure. So what we are to do now, so from this point A to this left side, so take a measurement of 50 millimeters. So this is 50 millimeters here, and then on this line we take a measurement from point A, take 20 millimeters up. This is 20 millimeters, and then from here, so we take 35 millimeters to this side. So this is 35 millimeters here. So here we have 35. So this is 35 millimeters. So at this point, so we have to draw a vertical line at this point. So take a vertical line up, and then you come to this point here. Also take a vertical line up like this. Okay, we have this. Then turn the set square this way. So bring it to this point. Okay, and then you draw a line in this direction to touch this line, and then you turn the set square like this. So draw a line from this point to touch this line, and then come to this point here. So come to this point up here, and then so draw a line. So draw a line from here in this direction. So we have this, and then so turn the set square this way. So bring it to this point, and then you draw a line from here to touch this line. Okay, so we have it like this. So we have it as an isometric block right now, but we need to bring out the feature that we see here around here. So we take the measurement like this, as we have that. So to this side, we have 15 millimeters from this point. Take a measurement of 15 millimeters to this side. This is 15 millimeters, and here you take a measurement of 5 millimeters down from this point. So take 5 millimeters down. This is 5 millimeters, and then so from this point here, take 10 millimeters to this side. This is 10 millimeters. And then so what you have to do now is that with the set square being set like this, so produce a vertical line from this point down. So this is a vertical line from here down like this, and then come to this point also. So take a vertical line down like this, and then so you set the set square this way. So from this point here, so draw a line to touch this line, and then you turn it this way. So draw a line from here to touch this line. Okay, then you come to this point, you draw a line in this direction like this, and then turn it this way. So you also draw a line from this point to touch this line. Okay, then where these two lines intersect, so come here and draw a vertical line down. So come to this point, so take a vertical line down like this. So we have this, and then so where these two lines intersect at this point here, so draw a line from here to touch this line. Okay, then you turn it this way, so bring it to this point where the two lines meet at this point here. So you draw a line to touch this like this. So you can see that we have brought out the feature. So what we are to do now to make it looking real, and then to make it more visible to whoever sees it, okay? So we need to make this line, we make it a thick line from here to here. So make it this a thick line from here to here, and then coming up here, so you make this a thick line from here to here, and then so down here you make this a thick line from here to here, okay? Then here also, so making this line a thick line, and then you come up here, make this line a thick line from here to here, and then at this end here, so you make this line, make it a thick line from here to this end. And then the vertical side, so make this line, making it a thick line from here to here like this, and then this short vertical line, make it a thick line. Also this short vertical line, make it a thick line, and this short one also, so make it a thick line like this. Then coming to this end, so make this a thick line from here to here, and then so turn to this side like this, and then make this line a thick line from here to this end, okay? So this short line, okay, so this short line here, so make it a thick line from here to here, okay? So we have this, and then so this line also, make this a thick line from here to here, okay? And this line, make it a thick line from here to here, okay? So then this line also from here, so to this end, we make it a thick line, okay? And then you come here, so making this line, making it a thick line from here to here. So you can see what we have done. So we brought out the object with the feature that we have. It's as simple as we have done it here. So all you have to do is to practice. Thank you, and then let's meet on the next one. God bless you.